Have you ever gone to the doctor and didn't know what to say? Like, my head is paining or I am having fever from 2 days?
Oh, yes, that's so true. And the doctor looks at you like, wait, what language was that?
Exactly. Don't worry, friends. Today, we'll help you sound confident and natural at the doctor's clinic. No confusion, no fear.
Hey, everyone, you're listening to Speech Bloom, where your English grows naturally, word by word.
I'm Lily, your host, ready to help you bloom in English.
And I'm Jack, feeling great today. Not sick at all, thank God.
That's good to hear, Jack. But even when we're healthy, it's important to know how to talk to a doctor in English.
Absolutely. Because when you're sick, you don't want to waste time thinking about grammar or vocabulary.
Exactly. So today's episode is called Going to a Doctor. Easy dialogues.
Nice and simple. So are we learning real-life phrases people can actually use at the clinic?
Yes, we'll cover everything. Calling for an appointment, talking to the receptionist, explaining symptoms, understanding the doctor, and ending the visit politely.
Great. Let's start before I catch a cold just by thinking about hospitals.
All right. Before you meet the doctor, you usually have to make an appointment.
Right, like, hello, I want to meet the doctor. That's what most people say, right?
Yes, but there's a more polite and natural way. You can say, "Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Sharma, please."
Oh, that sounds so polite. I'd like to make an appointment.
Exactly. Let's do a short example. Mini dialogue. Receptionist. Good morning. How can I help you? Patient. Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Sharma. Receptionist. Sure. What time would you like to come in? Patient. Is 5 p.m. available? Receptionist. Yes, that works. See you then.
That's perfect. So instead of I want, we use I'd like.
Right. It's more polite. You can also say, is the doctor available this afternoon? Or can I book an appointment for tomorrow morning?
Okay, let me try one. Hello, I'd like to see Dr. Patel tomorrow morning.
Great job, Jack. And listeners, try repeating that with us. I'd like to see Dr. Patel tomorrow morning.
Sounds natural. Oh, and one more thing. We say appointment, not meeting, right?
Yes, you have a meeting with your boss, but an appointment with your doctor.
Got it. So polite, so copper.
You're learning fast, Dr. Jack. Now, let's move to what happens when you actually arrive at the clinic.
Okay, I usually say, hello, I have come to meet the doctor. Is that fine?
It's understandable, but not perfect. A smoother way is, hello, I have an appointment with Dr. Sharma at 5 p.m.
Oh, that sounds so natural. I have an appointment at 5 p.m.
Yes. Or if you don't have an appointment, you can say, hello, I'd like to see a doctor. Is it possible to see one now?
That's nice. And if the receptionist asks for my name,
You can say, my name is Jack Brown. I had an appointment at 5.
great. Then they'll probably say, please take a seat.
Exactly. And you can reply, thank you, I'll wait, or sure, I'll take a seat.
You know, people sometimes say, I am sitting there, but they actually mean, I will sit there.
True. Instead of that, I'll take a seat is polite and correct.
Okay, I'll take a seat. Got it.
Mini dialogue. Receptionist. Good evening. Do you have an appointment?
Yes, I have an appointment with Dr. Sharma at 6 p.m.
All right. Please take a seat.
Thank you. That's such a natural flow.
Yes. And listeners, try saying it out loud. Please take a seat.
Even if you have a fever, be polite and smile.
Exactly. Politeness always helps, even when you're not feeling well. Now comes the main part, talking to the doctor.
Oh, yes, the moment of truth.
The doctor usually starts with, what brings you here today?
Which means, why are you here, right?
Yes, You can answer, I've been feeling unwell, or I have a headache and sore throat.
Can I say I am suffering from fever?
That sounds a bit old-fashioned. Better say, I have a fever.
Okay. And my head is paining?
That's incorrect. The correct phrase is, I have a headache.
Got it. Not head pain, but headache.
Exactly. Same for stomach ache, toothache, and backache.
What about cold and cough?
You can say, I have a cold and a cough.
Easy enough.
Mini dialogue. Doctor, what seems to be the problem?
I've been feeling tired and have a headache since morning.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little bit. That's so realistic. I can imagine myself saying that.
Hopefully not too soon, Jack.
Have a fever. Fingers crossed.
Another useful phrase is, I've been feeling dizzy since yesterday.
Let me try. I've been feeling dizzy since yesterday.
Great pronunciation. Listeners, say it with us.
Perfect practice.
Now, the doctor starts asking questions or giving instructions.
Like, how long have you had this problem?
Exactly. And you can answer with for or since. For 2 days or since Monday.
So, for shows duration, since shows the starting point.
That's right.
The doctor might also say, let me check your temperature, or take a deep breath.
Yes, you can reply politely with sure or okay, doctor.
If the doctor gives medicine, they might say, take this twice a day after meals.
Right. Once equals 1 time. Twice equals 2 times. 3 times equals 3 times a day.
Okay, so I need to take this medicine twice a day.
Perfect. Doctors also love to say, drink plenty of water and get some rest.
True, that's universal advice. And I can reply, thank you, doctor. I'll follow your advice.
Perfect. Sounds very polite. Mini dialogue. Doctor, take these tablets twice a day after meals. Patient, all right, doctor. For how many days? Doctor, for 5 days. Also, drink lots of water. Patient, thank you, doctor. I'll follow your advice.
That's so clear and natural.
Yes, and the key is short sentences, polite tone, correct expressions.
Got it. Dr. Lily.
Don't forget to rest, Mr. Jack. Finally, the visit ends. What do we say when we're leaving?
Okay, bye-bye.
Not quite. You can say, thank you, doctor. Have a nice day. Or, thanks for your help.
That's polite.
If the doctor says, come for a follow-up next week, that means come again to check your progress.
Oh, follow-up means another visit. Got it.
You can reply, sure, I'll come next week. Mini dialogue. Doctor, please come for a follow-up next Friday. Patient, sure, doctor, thank you so much. Doctor, take care. Patient, have a nice day.
That's so polite and warm.
And at the reception, don't forget to say, thank you, goodbye.
Even if you're sick, a little kindness goes a long way.
Absolutely. All right, let's quickly review what we learned today.
Section 1, making an appointment.
Section 2, talking to the receptionist.
Section 3, explaining your symptoms.
Section 4, understanding the doctor's advice.
And Section 5, ending the visit politely.
Wonderful memory, Jack.
I'm learning from the best. My favorite part was, I have a headache, not my head is paining.
Ha ha, that one's classic. And I hope our listeners also remember these easy but useful dialogues.
Because these are the real sentences people use every day.
Exactly. Thank you so much for listening to Speech Bloom.
We hope you feel more confident now to speak English at the doctor's clinic.
Keep practicing these phrases and soon it'll feel completely natural.
And remember, take your medicine twice a day, get enough rest, and keep smiling.
Haha, spoken like a real doctor, Jack.
Thank you, thank you. My consultation fee is 1 like and
one subscribe.
Haha. All right, everyone. Stay healthy, keep practicing, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye, dear listeners.